I used to think that the lower time frames were the best way to win trades. If you've been practicing and doing everything right, and you're still not quite where you want to be, then try this. It's the trend line break and retest on the 1 hour time frame. Here's a nice example of a trend line break and retest on the 1 hour time frame. Here's our trend line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Here's our break and our retest, and we can see that it's continuing downward. So we can use our path tool here. Remember that we're just practicing. We can use our path tool to show the break and the retest on the 1 hour time frame, and we see that it's continuing downward. And I have a gray line here because actually this trend line was also formed on our 4 hour chart. So you can see here that we had 1, 2, and then 3 touches. Okay. And if we take a look at our 15-minute time frame, when we enter the trade, we can see that we had our break and retest here, and we have our first candle at 8 o'clock, our middle candle, our second candle at 8:15, and our third candle, which is engulfing, at 8:30. And so here's our 3-bar reversal here. 1, 2, 3. Moved our stop loss into profit, like right above here, and hopefully it will continue to go down. And we could take some profit here at our next area of support on our 15-minute time frame. So I could draw an area of support here and make this black for the 5-minute and 15-minute, or we could take support here at the daily, or down here in this area. And I'm thinking I might hold down here, part of it into this area where there's a little gap here. Sometimes price likes to come back to these gaps, so we'll see for gap fills. And these levels were marked up on Sunday and sent out in the newsletter that goes out each week. So if you'd like to subscribe to the newsletter, you can do so. There's a link in the description below. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you found some value in this trend line break and retest information, and please share it with others who may find it valuable as well. All right, thanks so much. Okay, so we're taking a look at our trade again, and we can see that price came almost to our level that we had an alert at, and then it decided to reverse. One of the good things is that we did secure something because our stop loss was in profit. So that's one good thing about moving your stop loss down. Once price goes beyond a level of resistance or support, is that if it does reverse, as it did in this case, you still secure some profit. So this was ultimately a winning trade and a good trade. So what I'll do now is record this information in my trading journal for future reference and for studying. So try some trades out in the higher time frames, the 1 hour or the 4 hour. The higher time frames tend to be more dependable. They have a lot less noise, so you're getting fewer false signals, and you've got more time to make some decisions. So give it a try. I bet you'll see some improvement if you haven't tried it before. Let me know in the comments below.